Hi, I'm Joseph Falbo, Certified Financial Planner. Today we're going to talk about why you should have emergency cash at home. So let's talk about why having some cash at home can be really important. So we had that Windows outage, right? Last month there was a software update that caused a big Windows outage. Now, that stopped emails. It even grounded Delta Airlines. So it wasn't a virus. It was just a mistake in the code, they say, right? So this shows how fragile our tech can be. So I always tell my clients to have an emergency fund, right? This is money saved up for big expenses like car repairs, any unexpected expenses like medical bills. This way, you don't have to sell your investments, especially when the investments are down and when something goes wrong at the same time. So after the outage, I think we also need a cash stash at home, actual cash kept at home. Imagine if another tech problem or cyber attack were to happen and it stopped electronic payments. Having some $20 bills at home could be worth more than their face value, more than they're worth, right? You can still buy food, you can still buy gas, even if your cards don't work. So good financial planning isn't about controlling everything, right? It's about being ready for what might happen. Having cash at home is like having insurance, right? It helps you stay okay when things go wrong. So remember, we don't want bad things to happen. We don't hope for bad things to happen. But if they do, being prepared with a cash stash at home can make a big difference. I hope this message helps you. Stay safe and plan smart.